To change icon's shape on a Samsung A36 5G, as you can see like in my case, first of all you will have to start by opening Galaxy Store. You have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and click here on the search and select, and I mean in input phrase, good luck. There we go. You will have to download this application. It's made by the Samsung, by the way. Then after downloading you will have to open it, and right now when the application open, you will have to go into theme park. You will have to find this plugin from here and download it. Once you actually download it, you can open it. And right now, just wait a little bit for the loading screen. Select icon and click to create new. Right now, you can simply change shape of your icons up to your preferences. And additionally, you can change icon color and tray color. So you can even, by the way, create, the different image. So you can change, image of your application, which is pretty great if you want to hide something. And now, if you actually get it, you will have to click download in the right upper corner and set the name of your icon style. And after this, when it will be downloaded, you can click on it here and tap apply.